we are discussing some standard limits. In 12th point we discussed about limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 by x. Actually this e power x minus 1 by x, when you replace x with 0 it is an indeterminate form, but to avoid that we use the series and we find it as 1. Okay, and similarly limit x tends to 0 e power kx minus 1 by x, we found it as k. Already these two things we discussed in the last class. Now using these two we are going to derive these. First one, limit x tends to 0 a power x minus 1 by x. Here e is a fixed constant, as we discussed. The value of e is how much? Approximately 2.76. Only for that e this standard limit is helpful. But whereas if you have any number in the place of e, like 3 power x minus 1 by x or some 7 power x minus 1 by x, like that, if you have any, then what? Then how can we answer? So now for that, first of all think about this limit x tends to 0 a power x minus 1 by x. So for that I am going to concentrate on a power x. Just look here, a power x. Okay, see this a power x can be written as e power logarithm of a power x base e. Okay, by the law of logarithms, since these two are equal, so e power log of a power x base e is directly a power x only. Okay, it's a very basic law of logarithm from its definition. And this is equals to e power, this is log a power x, so there is a chance to write x out again from the laws of logarithms. E power x into log a to the base e. And now see, a power x can be written in such a way, e power x into log a to the base e. See, this log a to the base e is just a number. E power x into, you just take that number as some tick for our convenience. You just take that log a base e as some tick. Then how the problem will become? We are not changing x. Limit x tends to 0. This e power x is just e power tx minus 1 by x. See, since limit x tends to 0 e power kx minus 1 by x is k, here limit x tends to 0 e power tx minus 1 by x is what? T. And what is that t? That t is log a base e. We just treated that log a base e as t. So finally limit x tends to 0 a power x minus 1 by x value is how much? Log a base e. So now if anybody asks you to answer this, limit x tends to 0 3 power x minus 1 by x, what is its value? So its value is simply log 3 to the base e. That's it. If here we have 4, then our answer is log 4 base e. If it is 5, our answer is log 5 base e. So to answer to find out the limits of this format, we need to observe the format every time. Okay, if you try to find out limits of this format, a power x minus 1 by x, then its value is log a base e. And to show it as log a base e, we just took the help of this e power kx minus 1 by x. And to prove it, we are using this. And to prove this standard limit, we are using series expansion for e power x. Okay, step by step we need to develop. At the end I will erase everything. Okay, so all these things we know. And now at the end limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 by x is equals to limit x tends to 0 e power tx. So writing a power x as e power xt. Okay, right. So just have a look. You just note down, right? So now limit x tends to 0 e power tx minus 1 by x is t, and that is equals to log a base e. Okay, so this answer is log 3 base e. Now what is this? Limit x tends to 0 a power x minus 1 by b power x minus 1. If we have divided by x, then our answer is log a base e. So you just rewrite it. Okay, split, distribute this limit for numerator and denominator, as well divide the numerator and denominator with x. Then how it becomes? It becomes like this. Limit x tends to 0 a power x minus 1 by x divided by limit x tends to 0 b power x minus 1 by x. Divide both numerator and denominator with x and just apply limit x tends to 0. This limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x. This value is simply what? Log a to the base e divided by this value is what? Log b to the base e. So log a to the base e and log b to the base e. So log a base e divided by log b base e. Again by the loss of logarithm, we have a chance to rewrite it as log a to the base b. So answer for this problem is log a to the base b. That's it. Now think about this limit x tends to 0, a power x minus b power x by x. How can we do? Okay, just have a look. I will erase it and then for the space I will do it. Okay, have a look. Limit x tends to 0, a power x minus b power x by x. Okay, this problem I am going to solve. For that, limit x tends to 0, a power x minus b power x by x. But the format is a power x minus 1 by x. So as we discussed in previous classes, you just add 1 and subtract 1. So a power x minus 1 minus b power x plus 1 divided by x. Just observe it. A power x minus b power x is already there here. So you just subtract 1 and add 1. From there, this is equals to limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x. And from these two terms, you just pick out minus. So minus limit x tends to 0, b power x minus 1 by x. This limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x is nothing but log a to the base e minus, and that limit value is log b to the base e. At the end, log a minus log b is nothing but log of a by b base e. So at the end, answer for this problem is log a by b base e. Okay, to solve all these problems, this limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x is equals to log a base e is a standard limit, and using that standard one, we are going to solve all these problems. Okay, you just have a look. This is log a to the base e. Okay, memorize it. And using that, this is log 3 base e. Using that, this is log a base b. Using that, this is log a by b base e. And now using the same thing, we need to find the limit value of this. Okay, you just have a look and then try to solve it. So the next problem is what? Limit x tends to 0, 6 power x minus 2 power x minus 3 power x plus 1 by x squared. Then what I do is, limit x tends to 0, write this 6 power x as 2 power x into 3 power x. 2 power x into 3 power x minus 2 power x minus 3 power x plus 1 divided by x square. Okay, and now just observe the numerator. Limit x tends to 0, just pay attention on the numerator. This is 2 power x into 3 power x minus 2 power x minus 3 power x plus 1. When you factorize it, you have a chance to express the numerator as 2 power x minus 1 into 3 power x minus 1 by x square. If you wish, just check it, multiply it. 2 power x into 3 power x is the first term. 2 power x into minus 1 into 3 power x minus of minus plus 1. Now, by the algebra of limits, we have a chance to distribute that limit for the product again. Limit x tends to 0, 2 power x minus 1 by x is the first one, into limit x tends to 0, 3 power x minus 1 by x is the second one. For the first one, our answer is log 2 base e by this standard law, and for the second one, our answer is log 3 base e. So at the end, for this problem, our answer is log 2 base e into log 3 base e. Okay, just have a look. These are some problems related to the a power x. Okay,